In this video, I will show you how to delete watch history from Instagram. First of all, open Instagram. Then in the bottom right, you will find your profile icon. Click on it. And in the top right, you will find these three lines. Click on it. Here you will find your activity. Click on it. Then if you scroll down below, you will find watch history. Click on it. Now you can filter your watch history from here, from dates, from newest to oldest. Then in the top right corner you will see select. Click on it. Then select the videos. Once you're done, click on remove 6 at the bottom of the screen. Then remove. Then those videos that you selected will be removed from your watch history. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.